For more than 30 years, TreeRing Workforce Solutions has helped organizations of all types and sizes track, manage, and engage their workforce. We believe the path toward robust workforce management starts with world-class time and attendance solution. Whether it's payroll, scheduling, reporting, or leave management, managing the workforce starts with hours worked. Many organizations don't realize how many parts of day-to-day operations can be streamlined by the right time and attendance solution. By automating time collections, data management, and even overtime calculations, organizations can take these processes from days to mere hours with TreeRing Workforce Solutions Time and Attendance. You have a modern, optimized interface for interacting directly with employee hours. View, approve, edit, or delete employee time with a few easy clicks. TreeRing Time Dashboard gives you information relevant to the day-to-day requirements needed, such as who is clocked in, who is late for work, who has not punched, time card approvals, rejections, even pending PTO requests. Each item is a direct link to those places in the application to manage those details. Looking at exceptions directly in the time management screen gives you a comprehensive and interactive view of employee time. These exceptions give you actionable data and notifications so you can have a proactive approach to managing employee hours. A wide range of overtime configurations help you automate more of your payroll process and ensure your employees get paid properly by removing error-prone manual work. TreeRing Workforce Solutions employee and manager mobile applications lets you handle time management operations directly from your phone. Whether you're tracking time and attendance manually or you have another solution in place, TreeRing Time has the strength and flexibility to empower your organization to work better. Contact TreeRing Workforce Solutions to learn more about how you automate processes using our flexible and comprehensive time and attendance solution.